Hello everyone, welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse and illustrate the country known as the land of mountains, white beaches and thousands of lakes. It's Poland. So to see this beautiful drawing and know the unknown stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Poland. It's been a long time now, we are doing this World Tour series and we have traveled through so many different countries. We have known so many countries. We have seen the art and culture of so many countries, and all this happened through Imagination Gallery and its color and canvas. And no matter where we go and no matter where we fly, the desire to know the unknown always stays in our mind. And that is why we come back again and again with this World Tour series to see and paint the different countries. And friends, today we will draw a picture of a country that has taken its place as a historical country to the world, with its 14 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and a collection of breathtaking natural corners like mountains, national parks, rugged coastlines and some unexpected natural wonders such as the world's oldest salt mine. It's Poland. But as an artist, we owe to Poland painting or Polish art as well. World famous art pieces, some of them you can only see in here Poland. So I just can't wait now and just want to start over this. Let's begin. Friends, today's painting, is a glimpse of Polish people or say lovers. They see each other talking. And you can say that it is one of my attempts is to express the vintage look of this country. And art in Poland refers to all forms of visual arts in or associated with Poland. Polish art has often reflected European trends while maintaining its unique characters. The Krakow School of History painting developed by Jan Matejko produced monumental portrayals of significant events and customs throughout Polish history. He is referred to as the most famous Polish painter or even as the national painter of Poland. Polska, the Young Poland movement, witnessed the birth of modern Polish art and engaged in a great deal of formal experimentation led by Jacek Malczewski and some of the other group of Polish impressionists. The National Museum of Warsaw, which has more than 8 lakhs artworks in its collection, is just one of Poland's many important museums. It's one of the places where, these 5 paintings can be found. Meeting with the Village Mayor, painted on 1873. The chess game from the year 1555. Battle between Russians and forces in 1801, stances in 1862 and self-portrait at the Isle at 1556. And these were one of the famous and historical paintings of Poland. Friends, Poland is a country located in the Central Europe, Warsaw is the national capital and largest metropolis. The country has 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites now, and 15 of them which are cultural. And the culture of Poland is closely connected with the intricate 1000-year history and famous and important constituent in Western civilization. The Poles take great pride in their national identity, which is often associated with the colors white and red. With the origins in the customs of the tribal Littites, over time, the culture of Poland has been influenced by its connection to Western culture and trends, as well as developing its own unique traditions such as Sarmatism. The people of Poland have traditionally been seen as hospitable to artists from abroad and eager to follow cultural and artistic trends popular in the foreign countries as well. Like, for instance, the 16th and 17th century tradition of coffin portraits was only observed in Poland and Roman Egypt. In Polish culture, parents usually give their children, quite a bit of independence and responsibility. Polish families come in all shapes and sizes. Some lead very quiet lives, others are quite busy, and their household is very noisy. Some take frequent trips to outings, while others spend most of their time at home. So, quite a bit of mixed culture over there. Life in Poland is a cultural composition of traits belonging to both Eastern and Western European countries. For some, differences of lifestyle and culture may be astonishing, especially for citizens of countries located in distant parts of the world, while for others, they may be slightly visible. Friends, Poland is a country close to hearts, but even were it not for the personal connection to the country, it would be a standout as one of our favorite countries to visit. There is so much history over there. A visit to Poland means a chance to learn so much about this country and what has at times been a very tragic history. And when you been there, visit Poland, you're not just getting town squares and unique architecture, but you also get beaches and forests, salt mines, wildlife and breathtaking Tatra mountains, plus a whole lot of beautiful sights to explore and the historical art movement. Our World Tour series, friends, will continue. We will continue to search this little happiness and joy we find to share just with you all. Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. So hope you enjoyed and liked today's exploration of Poland. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session, and do not hesitate to write in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye for now.